Alright guys, we're going to put this other ski on right here. I've already put the one ski on. It was quite a pain in the butt, but I've got it on with minimal scratches, but we will touch that up later. So right now I'm going to set you guys up, and I'm going to show you how I get this one on. Alright guys, now we're going to throw the old expansion chambers on there in the exhaust can or muffler. As you can see, I cleaned it up a little bit inside with a scraper and some gum engine cleaner. I've already just painted the springs matte black. So there we go, we're going to throw it in. Alright guys, just got the exhaust on and all the springs. If you don't have one of the special spring tools, you can use one of these, the hooks. They work very good. So good it's not worth buying the spring tool. So I'm forgetting one spring that's being painted right now. It's currently drying. So I want to get the seat cover on, and yes, unfortunately I have to use the the bad one, the ripped one. So see if we can make it look any nicer, but it's not going to look the best. Alright guys, so just threw the seat cover on, and since the seat cover is so old, it's like heated and all that, you cannot even get these buttons even close to that, so gonna have to leave it like this. I know they have a seat cover on eBay that might work, so I'm gonna probably get that soon. I'll update you guys when I do, but it won't be in any of these series of videos. So hopefully we can get that before winter. And I just did put new screws in. So I'm gonna get the other side done, and I'll see you guys there. And there it is. The shock cover is installed. Now I tried to put some duct tape on the edge so you can't see the seat padding. So I'm going to put the grip tape on, and that will be the final part of this episode. I will put the windshield on off camera, and then the reveal will come out next Tuesday. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys once I get the grip tape on.